What if the messages we send into space are a mistake? The mistake we may already regret. What if humanity committed an irreversible error? Not a war, not a technology, but a signal. A signal launched into a silent universe. A universe that might not want to be disturbed. For decades, we've been sending out greetings. Mathematical codes, music, maps, our own DNA, believing this is a symbol of progress. But what if the universe is quiet? Not because it is empty, but because everyone else learned to stay hidden? And what if we broke that rule? What if our hello was the most dangerous word we ever spoke? Let's explore the truth we've been afraid to face. Our first messages were naive. Humanity's first messages were full of hope. Voyager's golden record, a fragile time capsule floating in darkness. The Pioneer plaque, a cosmic postcard. The Arecibo beam, a burst of mathematics aimed toward the stars. We imagined gentle minds discovering them. Civilizations curious and peaceful, ready to smile at our attempt to say we exist. But the universe is not built for comfort. Our messages are now drifting farther and farther, and they cannot be recalled, corrected, or erased. Like bottles thrown into a black ocean, we have no idea who or what might find them. Hope launched them. Ignorance guided them. And now they belong to the unknown. The warnings we pretended not to hear. Stephen Hawking once said, "If aliens visit us, it may be more like the arrival of Columbus in the Americas." And that didn't turn out well for the natives. We laughed. We shrugged. We continued. We revealed our location down to the cosmic street address. We described our biology, our chemistry, our vulnerabilities. We announced our existence to anyone capable of decoding it. We assumed advanced civilizations must be wise and kind. But on Earth, intelligence and danger grow together. The smarter a species becomes, the more capable it is of destroying what stands in its way. So a darker question appears. What if the first civilization that hears us does not want a conversation? What if alien minds are incomprehensible? Human logic is human, but alien logic could be something unimaginable. Their sense of meaning could be nothing like ours. Their entire perception of reality may not overlap with ours at all. Our map could look like a threat. Our chemistry diagram could look like a weapon. Our music could sound like an alarm. Our DNA diagram could appear as a claim of territory. Imagine trying to decode a message from a species with no common senses, no shared symbols, no shared biology. Everything we've ever sent might be interpreted in the worst possible way. And we won't know until someone decides to answer. The universe is quiet, unnaturally quiet. Scientists call it the Great Silence. But what if it isn't silence? What if it's fear? Maybe countless civilizations reached a point where speaking became a danger. Maybe the ones who shouted drew attention and vanished. Maybe the universe is full of eyes, watching quietly, listening carefully, waiting to see who will be foolish enough to speak first. And right now, that foolish species might be us. Should humanity stay silent? The scientific world is torn. SETI, listen only. Do not transmit. METI, transmit boldly. We must reach out. Silence protects us. Signals expose us. This is no longer a theoretical debate. Once a message leaves Earth, there is no undo button, no second chance, no way to explain ourselves. Do we remain hidden inside the cosmic forest, or step out and hope we are not hunted? It's already too late. Here's the twist. Even if Earth went completely dark today, the universe already knows we're here. Our oldest radio waves, war broadcasts, celebrations, music, noise, are now nearly a century away. Our chaos has been leaking into space for longer than we've had computers. A civilization with the right instruments may already be listening to our past right now, this very second. And we have no idea how they are interpreting what they hear. What we should send instead. If we must speak, then our message must be unambiguous. Not culture, not politics, not human emotion. Only the language of nature, mathematics, constants, patterns, pure logic. A gentle signal, not a beacon, a whisper, not a scream. A message that simply says, we exist, we seek understanding, but we are cautious. The final, unsettling question. And now, the question that keeps scientists awake at night. What if someone has already answered, and we simply haven't recognized the reply? What if a response is already traveling through interstellar dark, headed toward our solar system, just not yet close enough to detect? What if the universe is not ignoring us, but observing us? And when that answer finally reaches Earth, it will reveal whether humanity acted with courage or made the most dangerous mistake in its entire history.